Leon Trotsky's life story explained in 1 minute. Leon Trotsky was born in 1879 in Ukraine to a Jewish farming family. From a young age, he was drawn to radical politics and was arrested and exiled to Siberia twice before the age of 25. In 1917, he stood alongside Lenin and co-led the Bolshevik Revolution that overthrew the Russian government. He then built the Red Army from scratch and led it to victory in a brutal civil war. Lenin trusted him more than anyone. But when Lenin died in 1924, Stalin outmaneuvered him. Trotsky was expelled from the Communist Party, then exiled from the Soviet Union entirely in 1929. For the next 11 years, he moved from Turkey to France to Norway to Mexico, always one step ahead of Stalin's agents. In August 1940, a Soviet spy named Ramon Mercader, who had spent months gaining his trust, drove an ice pick into his skull inside his own home in Mexico City. Trotsky had helped build the most powerful secret police in history. In the end, it came for him.